Hey gang, Poppy, I'm back. I ate my pork chop and salad. They were good too. Dear, I'm recording. I'm recording. I'm recording! Anyway, gang, I'm back after eating my pork chop and salad, and they were good. Christy knows how to fry a pork chop just right. She was hesitant. She wanted to shake and bake, but her fresh frying stuff is especially great. Uh, her chicken breasts. Anyway, I haven't been posting lately because I haven't been recording. Winter came, can't work in the cold, got sick. Summer came, uh, still feeling sick. Worse. I think another winter came and went. Anyway, it's April 1st, 2024. No, it's May 1st. It's May Day. I never celebrated May Day. I always waited till everybody recuperated and we party on the 5th. Yeah, Cinco de Mayo. Now, uh, I'm taking my channel in a whole different direction. Let's see, the lathe and the milling machine and that stuff were support for my main two activities. One of them being lapidary. I just got the shipment of the first part needed to come back with the lapidary. There's the high-tech container. And there was this. Tied with this. Oh, these. 50. 60. 80. 100. 120. 240. 260. 320. 400. 600. 1,000. 1,230. 1,500. 2,000. 2,500. And 3,000. Let's hold this one and grab this one. Each got their own envelope, plastic bag. That's the 50. That is 3,000. Come on, you. Back in your slipcase. Back in your envelope. Come on. Back in the envelope. There we go. I'm still recording. Yeah. 50 grit. I seriously doubt this disc will ever get used on these stones I like to cut. These stones I like to cut are sedimentary. A sedimentary stone that is primarily silicon dioxide. Uh, about 7.5 to 8 on the Mohs scale. Soft stone. I have a lapidary unit. It's a 6-inch flat lap. I got my old 600 disc out there. Well, still works, but hey, 600 came in the pack. I could probably not be using this on opal. Pretty much I can guarantee. Anyway, I got my lapidary unit. It's a 6-inch flat lap. Big Dayton motor, speed dial, water drip. The hose going out to wherever I run the hose out to catch the runoff from the disc. For years, I was cutting my opal with a 7/8 to 1.25 inch diameter diamond disc. The fun part was going between strata of color and cutting between them, having two stones. That was real fun. No coffee, no alcohol. Okay. For rough shaping, I have many, many, many mounted diamond points of all kinds of descriptions. I didn't call it carving. I called working to shape the damn stone with what I had available to me, and I could move, set up, where when I'm done, pack it up, put it away. Anyway, and along with that 6-inch diamond lap, I got a whole bunch of leather sanding through polishing. It starts here at 240, up to 50,000 over here. It's all diamond slurry on leather. The perfect thing for opal. I know I've done the tin oxide, the cerium oxide, moon rock oxide. I find diamond slurry on leather is the best. I'll show that to you once the next two items arrive. Can you guess what that would be? Yeah, I had to buy some because, okay, uh, when they get here, we'll show you them. I'll unbox them. I'll do a full out unbox. I'll set up the little table here, angle slit, from first cut through screaming bloody murder. I'm gonna go there. And anyway, that's the next video in this series. Poppy Cuts Opal. That's the playlist name. Poppy Cuts Opal. Good night from California.